This London restaurant serves sandwiches with incredible fillings. Chef Max Halley uses all kinds of creative ingredients.
Cheese, for me, is practically the spawn of Satan.
But doesn't think cheese is one of them. As possibly the world's biggest fan of cheese, I've come to try some of his signature recipes and see if I can be convinced. Max literally wrote the book on sandwiches and has won countless awards. He puts his popularity down to 6 mantras.
So hot, cold, sweet, sour, crunchy, soft. If you have all of those 6 things all at the same time, in a bite of your sandwich, you've basically got like everything that your brain is looking for deliciousness. You have a contrast in temperature, you have a contrast in texture.
But why does Max refuse to put cheese in his quirky recipes?
So it's a question more that it doesn't fit into your mantra, because I think that cheese can be hot, it can be sweet, it can be spicy. You know, there's like Monterey Jack, there's a sweet cheese, a bit like Camembert, it's a little bit sweet.
The idea of like piquancy, which loads of cheese has, that is that almost heat. I think it's a textural thing for me more than the flavour. Like, I quite like the cheesy flavour. I like sort of cheesiness. I like those heady, rich, funky smells. Yeah, well, I'm saying that you don't need to put cheese in your sandwiches. For vegetarians, I think that there'd be a lot of sandwich shops where you would just default veggie sandwich would involve cheese. And like for me, like with here, I want to avoid those kind of assumptions. So I'm not just saying that, it's not just that I think cheese is horrible. It's that I think you'd expect a vegetarian sandwich to be a cheese sandwich. Whereas here, the vegetarian sandwich has pickled spring rolls in it. And I just think that in itself is much more playful and more fun than just a cold, miserable slab of wax-like cheddar.
Let's give them a try to see how good they really are. First up,
Hammock and chips, the best sandwich ever.
Smells amazing. I mean, my instant thought was just put some cheddar in it as well. The taste of the mayo and piccalilli and the ham hock are so strong. Super crunchy, and it's really warm as well. I kind of feel like you wouldn't really need to put anything else in there. It's already completely filled with ingredients.
next, this is how we spring roll.
One of the greatest ideas ever. Which is spring rolls in a sandwich. Get hot them spring rolls.
Oh, right. I mean, normally I would wish that's Camembert like dribbling all the way down my arm, but that is spring roll juice. And it's absolutely delicious.
And finally,
the original Gangster.
Instinctively, I would put cheddar in it, which I feel like Max would absolutely kill me for. But the gravy mayo is just the flavour that comes all the way through that with sauerkraut. I kind of feel like there are enough flavours in here. Maybe putting cheddar in there would actually overcomplicate things. Damn it. Damn you, Max.
Damn me.
Damn you.
Damn me and my gravy-based genius.
and toasty fans, beware.
So there's a page in here, find it, where you've got a recipe for a tuna melt and it says, I'm sorry, but I don't eat much cheese and I can't have a fish and cheese recipe in my book.
And look at the page. But the sheer idea of tinned tuna and cheese.
It's glorious.
Is it?
You put some capers in there, a little bit of red onion.
Yeah, fundamentally fish and cheese is disgusting and should never go together.
So if you shouldn't be putting cheese in, what should go in a sandwich?
90% of sandwiches would be improved by crushing up some crisps and putting them in there. More mayonnaise, put some crisps in.
No cheese crisps. Just
I'll give you cheese crisps, blatantly, as they've got no cheese in them.
So, were we won over with Max's cheese ban?
They tasted great, they look great, they smell great. So maybe we don't need cheese after all. I'm sorry, cheese, I still love you, but I don't maybe need you in a sandwich.
Where do you stand in the debate? Let us know in the comments.
I reckon there is. Down there in hell, there is the devil sat on his throne or whatever it is, eating cheese and pickle.